Well, as you know, or you should know, next year's meeting is in Frankfurt, and I'm absolutely delighted now to be joined by three of the leadership team for that conference here. First of all, welcome. Thank you very much indeed for taking the time to talk to us today.
Yes.
Now, we're looking forward to Frankfurt in 2019.
Yes, we are indeed very happy to host the next meeting in Frankfurt. Frankfurt is known to many of the participants only from the side of the airport, but next year they will know Frankfurt as a city in the center of Europe, as a city of very short ways, because the meeting facilities, the meeting centers is located in the heart of the city and near to the hotels, so we will have no waste of time by long ways.
Well, that sounds marvellous. And there's a change in the face of EBMT for next year as well.
A little bit. It's the first time, it's a premiere, that pediatricians are presidents of the yearly meeting, and we are very proud. And it shows that pediatrics is now arrived in the center of the community, and that makes us very happy.
Now, one of the main themes of this year has been cellular therapies, and that's going to continue for next year, isn't it?
That's true. So cellular therapy has really arrived in the field of stem cell transplantation and cell therapy. In this year's this annual meeting is an excellent proof about that. And we have heard excellent presentations, and tremendous progress has been made. And this will continue also at the next meeting in Frankfurt, as more and more cell-based therapies will be available to treat our critical ill patients, whether they are children or adults. So we are really very curious about it.
And one of the things we've also been talking about this year is how you get from the science to the clinic. So that's going to be an issue for next year as well, isn't it?
Yeah, I think we see it already this year at the EBMT meetings that there are a lot of cell therapeutic products or also antibodies or kinase inhibitors that found their way from bench to the clinics and are now tested, evaluated in phase 3 clinical studies, such as gene-modified cells for induction of remission, or some kinase inhibitors or mesenchymal stem cells in treatment of GVHD.
What other developments have you spotted this year that you think will be important next year as well?
So there is another field, and this is definitely the haploidentical stem cell transplantations, which are still increasing, and there are different ways of performing this, and there are novel issues which could be added to that field, which will definitely further help to increase the outcome and to reduce the transplant-related mortality. So this will definitely also be a big scope and focus of for the next years. Yeah.
Well, thank you very much indeed for taking the time to come and talk to us today. We're already looking forward to Frankfurt in 2019, so thank you.
So are we. Thank you very much.
Thank you.